All right, we have some exciting improvements to discuss regarding our programming and our and how it'll look in Beyond the Whiteboard. First off, you're going to start seeing a little more detail in your workouts, and then every day there will be all the workouts in one post. So you'll see CFP workout of the day here at the top. It'll have a note here of there's some pre-workout skill work. So this is for tomorrow, for Monday, wall walks and bent over row strength practice. Then you're going to see 3 versions of tomorrow's workout. So 4 rounds for time, overhead walking lunge, and 25 GHD sit-ups for the RX. Intermediate, so that's a new level here that we're going to have, is 4 rounds of overhead walking lunge at a little bit lighter weight, and then 15 GHD sit-ups to keep that total volume of GHD sit-ups in a safe range for people that have not done upwards of 100 GHD sit-ups in a workout yet, or more than 50 even. And then there's the beginner one. You're also going to see a ton of info here as far as the intended stimulus, some scaling ideas. You can look at all this, or you can just get the info from the coach. But for those of you that like to have more information, or be prepared when you come in, this will be a great place for you to start. Now, it doesn't mean that these are the only options. Of course, the coaches will work with you based on your specific needs. And then there'll often be some post-workout stretching that'll show here. And then there's going to be some work your weaknesses. So you'll see this. These are the options for the week. You can kind of do them as you see fit throughout the week. Pick 1 or 2 of them. There's a strength option 1, strength option 2, and then there's a skill, and actually there's A and B, but there's a skill, stamina. So you can pick any of these, and if you want to try one of them or 2 of them, that's gonna, those are things you can do during open gym time, or if you're here during a second class, just make sure if you choose to do one of these that you're not interfering with a class that's taking place. That's just always the rule. But I think that this will be great for a lot of you, give you a little extra stuff. One note about these extra work your weakness mini workouts. Most of these will be included in our ATP, which is now going to be known as Compete track. So if you want to do all of them and then have also some more stuff and get a lot more information, you can sign up for the ATP or the Compete, which is $30 extra per month. And that is different than the Train with Cade. So anyway, but these are going to be great for just giving you some guidance on trying to work in some stuff. And it's all put on Monday, but you don't have to just do it all on Monday. You can do it any day of the week. Log in your workout will be the same. You'll pick which version you performed closest to, hit the log, and then exactly as written, or if you change something. So maybe you did this intermediate level of GHD sit-ups, but you did the RX level of for the weight. You'll just go in and change it, and that's it. So then you'll be able to log your time and make your notes and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, just some info about what's going on. I'm going to do a separate post for our the new Compete track as well.